Well, we're going to try a little experiment. Show you guys just how fussy little boy is. Now, little girl just left. So the next chipmunk in line should be little boy. Now, I left a couple of peanuts in the chair. Look, right here. Come here. Come here. Where'd you go? See, he knows those are broken peanuts, so he knows he's going to come to me to get the other ones. Come here. Here, take that one. And my point is proven. Come here. He'll go to me for if he sees broken peanuts, he will come to me every time looking for fresh peanuts.